Hello dear students, nice to see you here again. Today our lesson is about the text Carl's idea. Let's start our lesson. Contents. Today you are going to read and listen the text Carl's idea. Then we have some grammar, C and V letters and sounds, and we will do some activities. Text Carl's idea. Dear students, now you are going to listen to the text about Carl's idea. Listen carefully because we have some questions about it. Let's listen.
Carl's idea.
Hi, my name's Carl. I'm 6. I have a lot of clay, and I have an idea. Look, now I have a pencil, an eraser, and a ruler. I have a pencil, an eraser, and a ruler, and now I have 2 crayons. Mom, look at my clay school supplies. Oh no!
Dear students, let's answer the following questions according to the text. Pause the video, do it, then return to the video. Now, dear friends, the first question is, how old is Carl? Is he 5? No, he is 6 years old. In the second question, how many crayons does Carl have? 1. No, 2 crayons. The correct answer is B. The third question, what does Carl make with his clay? He makes pens, rulers, crayons. They are school supplies. C is right. The fourth question, whom does Carl show his school supplies made of clay to? Does he show his school supplies to his teacher? No, because he's at home and he shows school supplies to his mom. C is right. Well done, dear students. Dear students, we have some vocabulary words. Repeat the words after me. Camel, deve, ice cream, dondurma, city, şehər, violin, skripka, vase, vaza, volcano, vulkan, volleyball, voleybol. See letter and sounds. Dear students, now you can see the letter C, but it pronounced like K and S sounds. Before A, O, U vowels and consonant letters, we pronounce the letter C like K sound. Before E and I vowels, we pronounce C like S sound. In our previous lesson, you have learned consonant letters and vowel letters. Now, let's have a look in the examples. V letter and sound. Dear students, now you can see V letter, but we pronounce it like V sound. For example, violin, volleyball, vase, volcano. Activity. Dear students, match the pictures with the words. Pause the video, do it, then return to the video. Now, dear students, let's find together. The first word is vase. Note, it's city. Yes, you are right. The next picture is violin? Not. It's not a violin. Is it volleyball? Not. It's vase. You are right. The next picture is maybe crayon? Not. It's not a crayon. It's camel. You are right. The next picture is easy. You are right. It's a crayon. The next is volleyball. Not. It's not a volleyball. It's violin. The next picture is maybe volleyball or volcano. Yes, you are right. It's a volcano. Then the last is volleyball. Well done, dear students. Dear students, complete the gaps with C and V letters. Pause the video, complete the gaps, and return to the video. In the first word, the missing letter is V, volcano. In the next word, the missing letter is C, camel. In the third word, here we put C, city. In the next word, we put C, pencil. In the next word, we put in the first word C, ice, but the next word we put C, but we pronounce it like K, cream, ice cream. In the next word we put V, vase, but here we put C, crayon. In the next word we put V, volleyball. In the last word we put V, violin. Well done, dear students. Match the words with the sounds K and S. Dear students, pause the video, do it, then return to the video. Let's try to find the first K sound words. We can see cat with K sound word, cat. The next, crayon, K, crayon. Camel, K, camel. Volcano, K, volcano. Now try to find the words with S. Pencil, S, pencil. City, S, city. And the last word is police, S, police. Well done, dear students. Dear students, today we have listened to that story, Cause Idea. Then we have learned C and V letters and sounds, and we did some activities. See you next lesson. Goodbye.